Some pretty serious damage around. If you look down in there, this panel is just fucked well and truly. And then the steering box is all fucked up. Like all that panel there is meant to be out nice and straight, and it's about 3 inches back. Clutch cylinders just completely gone. Brake boosters completely gone. Yeah, fuck it all. But yeah, flywheel still intact, which is amazing. I thought that was what would have given away, but yeah, touch wood, the motor is actually alright.